Come on. I see they always do. Well, which game you get today?
Get game.
Play. You go play. You go play. Nah, you want us by how's that?
You guys just say it now. Like, you guys this kind of say it like this. You also, me way normal. See my packaging, see my configuration. I see this guy that why they mad as I this with the grace. We have you. Why they mad now? They come out again this place. Why they mad now? I give people coupon to play. So you will buy me 5,000. 5,000. Like I just give you phone number where you go play this Saturday. I be madman. I know that I feel just change in our life now.
Come on, get up. Madman won't change my life. How?
How now?
Just give you small game. You go play this Saturday. Understand? You just.
Which kind of game? Which kind of game?
Fun now.
Come see what the years you might do. They give people good.
You the correct guy. Correct man.
How much will it be?
5,000.
You are really a madman. See. No worry. I will find something. Just play the game.
That's something like how much?
Right and best. You like it 200. But no, 200 more. 200.
Now wait, my ask you a question. This mad now you're mad.
So that person na me money now.
Now me the mad, no be you. Okay, give me. Okay, wait. See the last thing where I just do here now 2,000. This game, this one I pay him 3 from 4. No, wait.
No give up. Come on.
This one, see this one. Okay, you don't know this thing. This one I pay him 3 from 4.
I'll give you 1,000.
Okay, now when you this game, we go play.
Do what
Wait now, wait. I will show you. Okay, wait face. I don't share my game now your game. Because I tell you, I'm corporate madman. I tell you, I do something. Understand? Understand? Can't look now. It's my game. Okay. When you not chop, remember me now.
No.
Okay, this madness, no be small madness. I don't want it. There's that things now. There's that things. How was it? Don't sleep, don't sleep.
Hey, give me. Show.
Okay, how far now? You not need another game?
Show.
Another game now 2-5.
You sure say you man?
This kind of question, I dey mad since now. Person wey normal dey like me. I don't know. I guess.
You sure say you man?
I dey mad now. They did the damn bomb. No, wait face. Okay, wait face. Now, I know my own man is selling food. They did the damn bomb. I said my own man make me trade. Okay, wait. Okay, give me the thing. Okay, wait now. How far now? As you see me so now, I don't look like mad person. I know man.
So you be madman?
I'm mad now.
You know Buhari?
Buhari? Who don't know Buhari now? Buhari now the president of Nigeria.
That means you are not mad.
Thank you for watching that Funny Live Nation Entertainment comedy video. Please don't forget to subscribe.